How to check Wi-Fi signal strength on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. Locate the current Wi-Fi network that you're connected to. Look at the signal strength indicator next to the network name. The signal strength is visually represented by the number of bars, with more bars indicating a stronger signal. 3 bars mean a strong signal, while 1 or 2 bars indicate a weaker signal. You can also check the signal strengths of all the other Wi-Fi networks below in the same way. Following these steps, you can easily check Wi-Fi signal strength on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.